one owner of this well-loved home. Pool home with pavers all around, pool pump is new in 2023. Please note, due to the bonus office space the garage only holds one car. Pool serviced recently. Roof 2022, wired smoke detectors with backup batteries. Air conditioner 12 years old, maintenance checked 2 times a year. This home is perfect for a sun and shade ratio. Large primary bedroom with ensuite, garden tub, walk-in shower and walk-in closet. This home has a layout that will allow for a dining room, or the room could be used as a DEM family room. Mature, well-established landscaping. It even has a fruiting fig tree. Interior painted in coastal colors 2025, second bathroom had the WESTSHORE shower enclosure installed 2020, new front door and screen door with new locks 2025. New tile floors 2024, new ADA approved toilets with safety rails. Eat in the kitchen. With almost 2 dozen cabinets. Separate laundry room between the kitchen and garage. The bedroom with French doors has an armoire that will convey with the home. Exterior painted 2025. This move-in ready home comes with many included amenities, making your transition easier. 1/4 of the garage is an air-conditioned music studio with sliding glass doors. Could easily be made into a private work area for working from home. Home comes with pool creeper, window coverings and blinds, pool furniture, and baker's rack on patio stay. All appliances are new and will stay. New washer and dryer stay.